this is Arpita here. Welcome to my channel, Pratikriti, A Creative Mind. This is the second second day I am uploading this video with you guys. And today's video, there will be a tutorial class about how to draw a simple line or how to draw a simple stroke horizontally and vertically. Because this will be a great help as the beginners, as an artist, to skill with this skill. So I'm gonna tell you to what to do or how to be done it. So please stay tuned till the end and watch me, because line drawing is very essential. Because if your pencil is not your friend, is your paper is not your friend, then it will be hard enough to sketch or draw or paint anything totally in future. So on my first class, you will learn how to sketch or draw a simple line horizontally or vertically. What have to do first? You have to hold the pencil properly. Always hold the pencil in some slanting ways in your right hand or be it in your left hand, but don't hold or grip your pencil in a vertical way like this. Okay, hold your pencil just in a slanting way, this, like this. Because if you are holding the pencil vertically, you will your eyes will guard, your hand will be a guard, and you cannot see the paper or the line you are stroking or the drawing you are doing. So first of all, we have to learn how to hold the pencil properly. And second, you have to think that your pencil is not a pencil, it is not a brush while you are painting. It is a pen like you. While you let it be spontaneous, in a spontaneous way. While we'll write anything, we have to be very spontaneous, isn't it? So your pencil will be your friend. If your pencil is not your friend, if the paper is not your friend, if the hand is even not your friend, you can't do anything, can't draw anything on paper. So first of all, we focus on how to grip our pencil. Look how I grip my pencil with 3 fingers, middle fingers and the other 2 fingers, and we put my pencil in a slanting way. Now what to do to have a straight line? We have to point out in our paper somewhere where we want to start the line. And now we have another point. We have an area. We have to choose our area where we will end the line. Suppose here I will end the line. Then what to do now? I have to start from this point and end to this point. So what will I do? I will start the line but not focus on my pencil, not focus on my hand or my grip, not focus on what are you scratching, what are you drawing. Just focus on the second point which you have drawn, which you have imagined, or which you have selected for your line to be end up. So we will not focus on the first point. Remember, we will focus on the second point where the line will end. Our pencil will be here at the first point, but our focus, our eyes, our target will be the second point, will be at the second point. It is just like an arrow, or just like a gun shooting. We have our full loaded gun targeted, and we have to focus on our target. What to do? When we shoot anything, do we focus on our focus on our hand or gun? No. So you like that, you have to focus on your second point. And now watch how I am drawing a simple straight line. I am starting from this point and I will focus that point, but not here. I am focusing that point and I will just draw the line. Just draw a line. And you have to practice it over and over, like 100 times at once, like 100 times at once. Then it will be a simple straight lines. Okay, so it is horizontally. Now I will do it vertically with same method, same technique, focusing on the second point where the line will end. Focusing on the second point where the line will end. We have a point at first point, which is our starting point, and suppose I will end the line here. Okay, so I have the pencil out here, point out here, but I focus at this point and just I take the pencil as my pen and draw a straight line here. Again, draw a straight line here. Again, draw a straight line, draw a straight line, draw a straight line, draw a straight line. Look, first time it was slight slanting, second time slight more straight, and the third time it is very much perfect. That's how I am drawing. That's how every artist scratch a line. Always they scratch the lines like that, like that. You have to practice this skill, otherwise there will be a bigger problem. Look how the lines are becoming straight. You have to skill with this art of drawing straight lines, also with some slanting lines like this or this. Look how I grip my pencil, when I am drawing the slanting lines. How I am grip my pencil, not like this, okay, not like this, like this way, how I am gripping my slanting lines. When I am gripping this pencil, I am drawing the slanting lines. Sorry for my English pronunciation or English speaking. Please forgive me. I am the first uploading this video, so please forgive me for my pronunciation and my spoken English. I hope you are enjoying. And that's all, friends. Today's class is over. And what will be your homework today? That you have to be skilled with such lines, straight lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines, just like our childhood days. Okay, it is remembering me of our childhood days. So this is your homework for this class, and I will end up it here. If you please, if you like my video, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon, and please comment me also on my teaching, on my videos, blogs, or anything you want to know about art. Okay, so no more today, guys. Bye bye.